Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best manscaping trimmers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Andis 23885 Slimline 2 trimmer. Andis is one of those brands that are giving big names a run for their money. It has many amazing manscaping trimmers in the market, and this is one of them. One thing we like about it is the handy design, which is slim and also very lightweight. You'll, therefore, face little challenges when using it. It also fits perfectly in different hands, both large and small. This not only feels comfortable but also improves control. The last thing you want is clumsy hands or control, as you can easily bruise the boys. It's a well-made piece that puts up with the operations well. The power from the built-in in an electric motor is quite decent. It powers the steel blades that easily eliminate the unwanted hair. Moreover, the performance is very consistent to ensure the results are even. You won't come across some areas with long hairs while in some areas it's short. The unit is dual voltage and works via 100 to 120 volts as well as 220 to 240 volts. You can thus operate it from any part of the globe. It's ergonomically styled and feels comfortable on the hands. The weight is well balanced and it also has a nice grip surface. It's also looking very sleek and has a smooth surface. Wiping or cleaning off hair, oils, moisture, dirt, spills, dead skin, and other things are easy. What's more, it is easy to carry and stores thanks to the compact size of just 6.25 inches in length. It runs smoothly and also has minimal vibration. Moving on, at number 4, we have the CleanCut ES412 Intimate and Sensitive Area Shaver, designed for both men and women. Unless you have the best manscaping trimmer, it's very hard to get professional results. Also, it's very easy to injure yourself down there. The accessory may nick or bruise the skin. This will definitely undermine the whole experience. But with a good product such as this piece by CleanCut, you'll have an easier time trimming and shaping the hair. It's a simple piece but still works pretty well. We love the power from the motor, which together with the steel blade eliminates the hair fast. Also, it has a nice design that makes using it in a tight location much easier than its competition. You won't need to stress yourself. It is lightweight and also very slim in profile. It fits very decently in the hands. Also, it follows the contours nicely for the perfect shave. The unit feels well made to tackle the job. It also runs smoothly and is also not too noisy. This enables you to carry on with your business without raising eyebrows. Thanks to its compact and small size, it will fit in small spaces quite well. You can, therefore, take it along with you during your travels. I mean, it's ideal to stay well groomed anywhere always. In addition to the pubic region, it also works quite well for the underarms, French landing strip, bikini line as well as for a Brazilian style. This means that women can also use it. It runs via batteries and is also cordless. This simplifies the operation, handling as well as convenience. At number 3, we have the Gillette Fusion ProGlide Men's Razor Styler Special Pack. Gillette is a well-known brand in the world of shaving and grooming. It also boasts of owning some of the best manscaping trimmers in the market. The ProGlide razor is a good example that targets men. Something we like regarding it is the simple and handy layout, which simplifies the operation. It's slim and additionally really lightweight. It likewise fits comfortably in the hand and also shaves very close to the skin. This ensures you have a smooth finish. And despite the closeness, it's less likely to trigger any rashes, bruises, irritation and other side effects. This is because it comprises safe and hygienic materials. Also, you don't need to use too much force for it to work. It's a well-made piece that bears the procedures well. The built-in electrical motor has decent power. It runs the stainless steel razor pretty well and will eliminate the undesirable hair fast. Moreover, it also energy efficient and uses minimal power. It's additionally ergonomic and feels easy on the hands. No numbness or odd feeling due to poor weight balancing. The good grip surface improves the maneuverability and also makes cleaning the trimmer easy. The sleek surface is also resistant to oils, moisture, hair, dirt, dead skin, and more. It is based on award-winning Braun-engineered technology that will shave very close to the skin and won't cause any bruising or harm. Also, you will need to apply very little pressure to achieve the results. The item comes with 3 combs to suit different requirements. Attaching them to the accessory is pretty easy. The unit relies on an AA alkaline battery that will offer service for as long as 45 days or 1.5 months. It runs efficiently and doesn't produce any noise. And with its very small size and lightweight, you'll have little trouble moving around with it. In fact, it slips inside the bag, backpack, and other places quite well. At number 2, we have the Remington PG 525 head-to-toe lithium-powered body groomer kit, beard trimmer. Remington PG 525 also deserves a mention on the top-rated Manscaping Trimmer review. It offers professional results and is also very simple to use. Besides, it is not bulky or heavy piece, hence ideal even for the small zones and skin folds. It's a straightforward item but still works quite well. It gets a nod from us as well as other consumers because of the powerful motor, which together with the robust stainless steel blade deliver fast service. And despite the speedy performance, the results are quite amazing. It has a great design that makes using it in a limited area a lot easier than most of its rivals. You won't strain yourself too much to reach the tight zones. It is lightweight and also slim, hence fits comfortably in the hands. The device feels well made to take on any job and likewise runs smoothly. This enables you to carry on and finish the task much quicker. It comes with self-sharpening steel blades that offer long-lasting performance. They also save you the trouble of having to constantly sharpen them. They feature surgical stainless steel, which is very safe and also hygienic. It doesn't rust, corrode, fade, or chip. What's more, it requires minimal maintenance. And courtesy of the compact and small dimension, it fits in small areas well. This makes it a good travel companion. Also, it saves space during storage. It gets power via the rechargeable battery and is also cordless. This makes using it anywhere not a problem at all. And when it is full of charge, you'll get as many as 70 minutes of runtime. Recharging the trimmer is also not hard and takes about an hour to fully charge. And finally at number 1, we have the Philips Norelco Gustier, Trim and Shape. Grooming down there is easier and safer with the best manscaping trimmer. The Philips Norelco Gustier is among the popular choices and enjoys positive comments and reviews. It has a basic design, which makes using it pretty easy even by a novice. This trimmer relays good outcomes and requires little skills to use. It cuts the hair quite fast and also operates smoothly. No jerking or vibrations. Besides, it's not too noisy. It is small as well as portable, thus, you can maneuver it comfortably. Additionally, it has a decent head design that works terrific even in the contours and tight zones. The good design decreases the probabilities of you unintentionally nicking, cutting, or injuring the area. It fits well in the palm of the hands and this improves the control. We also like the lightweight as well as ergonomic style that allows the user to hold it for a lengthy session. The fingers won't have a numb feeling. It has a nice soft rubber for a firm and comfortable grip. Chances of it slipping even when handling the unit with wet or oily hands are minimal. It runs using a rechargeable battery that powers the robust built-in motor. It's a multi-purpose trimmer, which also works great in other applications. You can use it to shave the beard, legs, head and other places. In all the applications, it does deliver good outcomes. And to endure the wet setting such as the washroom, it is water resistant. The blade keeps its sharpness for a long period and doesn't need frequent resharpening. Also, it doesn't rust or corrode. The safe and non-toxic materials of construction make it unlikely to trigger adverse effects or any kind of allergies. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.